Hello everyone, how are you doing? As you can hear, I am outside in nature. The crickets, the frogs, the bats, and the cicadas. The sounds of summer. How's everybody doing today? Well, I am off-grid still, and I will be back on Monday. I am excited to share this time to break and just kind of recuperate. Life has been crazy, but I am excited about the upcoming week and weeks because I've got so much in store coming down the pipe. I've got events, I've got speaking engagements, I've got new projects that I'm working on, I've got the ending of one of the major products that I am excited about. So things are happening. You know, I'm reminded every day to be grateful. And unfortunately, at times my history repeats itself where I go back into going into the spoiler mode and just wanting to do everything. And I have to keep in mind it's not all about me. That's not how the world works. That's not how family works. That's not how the business works. When you put aside your thoughts, your concerns, your fears, your excitement, and your frustration and your hard work, and realize that there's so many different moving parts in the journey, you get lost, you get frustrated, and you tend to fall in your old ways of immediate gratification, immediate satisfaction. And that is what the world teaches us, reminds us every single day. You must compete with somebody, you must get it done yesterday, you must have perfection. Ladies and gentlemen, as your global voice, under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown, as your personal accountability coach, I had to literally retract and learn how to be in the moment. Learn how to stop and appreciate life. And realizing that the harder I grind and the more I put pressure upon myself, the less I'm going to have fun with those around me. I'm always going to be concerned about what's on the other side. I'm always going to be concerned about my competition. I'm always going to be distracted, which may cause procrastination and delay to what I want to achieve. My key reminder to you this evening is to always have a gratitude attitude, but allow yourself to breathe, to relax, to revel in the moment and be present. Your gift of self, spirit, mind, body, and soul is your presence, of your presence to others. When we get frustrated and we get stressed, we get irritable and unpleasant to be around. I'm reminded that every time something doesn't go my way, and I have to hold myself accountable and responsible for my actions, my decisions, my frequencies, my emotions, and my progress or lack thereof. Tonight's video is brief but powerful. Allow yourself to embrace every single second of life, for in the blink of an eye, in 1 second, it can be taken away. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, coming to you from off-grid, outside into nature, before I get eaten alive from mosquitoes, wishing you a beautiful, wonderful evening. Thank you for being here, for you can be anywhere and you chose to be here with me. I appreciate you. I recognize you and know somebody is listening, somebody is watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you. As the lights go out, of course, let me see if I can bring it back. As the lights go out, telling me my time is up. Thank you, stay tuned, and check out my website, Andrea Masons, for further information. Follow your heart and not the herd, and know that I am here. Be well. Te amo.